Everyone, my name is Alif Medbaya and I would like to welcome you all to Data with Alif channel where we will learn data analysis from the beginning. So today we are going to learn the max function and min function. So this is the max function which I am going to call here. So if we have to find out the quantity sold, the maximum quantity sold, how much we need to call this full quantity sold. So max is called, I'm calling max. So here I'm going to select the whole range and enter. Put enter the 9997. So I would like to find out the department wise sales. So what we have to do, the Maxifs. So there is no max if, like only one department you have to call, or Maxifs means like, you have to call the whole. If we have to select like max range and quantity sold, the range we have to select, and after that we need to call the department range. The department range is in the third column. So the criteria we are going to select is the department. So once we close the bracket and if enter, the result is 9955. So different department cells are different units. If we change over here every time we change, we will get the different results. So if we have to find out the business unit wise sales in the countries, so we have to call the Maxifs. So we need to select the quantity range from the beginning to the end, and then the business unit range. The business criteria range is the business unit. We need to put the comma. Now the business unit, we need to put the comma, and then country range, the second criteria range we need to call, and then comma, then country we need to select and close and enter. The result is 9001, and then consumer we need to find out the maximum level of sales is given over here. So we need to now we need to find out the second one is the main function. We are going to find out the mean. So mean function we call over here the minimum result will come. The result is 524. So in the HR department minimum cell we need to call. As same is the Maxif function. So we need to call the quantity range and then comma, then criteria range is the department, and we need to find out, and once we know close the bracket, so department whatever is giving here it will come straight away. Like in HR department minimum cell is 573. Now if you have to find out like different departments on like a minimum function, then you can easily go through here. So if we have to find out the Minifs from here, so we need to find out the range from beginning to the end, and then comma, put the business unit from the beginning to the end, and the range and the business unit given over here. So now we need to call the country range from the beginning to the end, and then country given over here and close the bracket. The result is over here. So the min is in Malaysia consumer 2618. So in China the result is here. So the Singapore and Austria, if we have to find out, this is the way how you will find out.